Hey guys, it's Bryce from Righteous Reptiles. I absolutely love animals, and you're about to watch something amazing from Rob the Ranger. Enjoy.
But females are by themselves, and a lot of times
It's wonderful. Turn right round there, look at that.
It's on the mound. Ah, c'est quoi celui-là?
Got an idea that something's going on. Just doesn't know what it is.
On dirait un ours.
You can smell it.
C'est quoi ça?
c'est un petit.
Non.
Petit. Ah oui.
Cheetah's not going to move, it's not going to draw attention to itself.
Il est grand.
It doesn't have to.
Petit.
The hyena looks heavier than the
Looks
cheetah.
bigger.
Oh, much bigger. The hyenas are big creatures. Yeah, big female hyena will be 80 kilos easy.
I thought the cheetah would be off.
The hyena doesn't know it's there yet. So it's just not going to draw attention to itself until this happens. And
Oh, you've done injured foot.
Oh, it's hurt your foot. Oh.
It's injured.
I thought it was moving quite gingerly. It seems to be able to run all right. Walking is the problem.
Well, it stood still, it held it up.
Yeah, I think it's just stiff when it gets moving.
Oui, mais c'est pas.
May have. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe and share and all of that sort of stuff. Thank you. This week's guest presenter was Bryce from Righteous Reptiles. Head on over to his channel for snakes, lizards, crocodiles. It's awesome. Support the South African YouTube community while you're there. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.